He's an habitual, consistent, continuous offender.
This is absolutely a disturbing trend that every matter lands up in Supreme.
Right? No, this is not every matter. Case
Unless
back
the
to the High
Supreme Court has also become a political battleground.
No, this is not a political battleground. This affects, according to me, the fundamentals of your Lordship's constitutional pillars.
So the
Let me give you
Constitutional
more
Court will
reasons.
examine it.
I'll tell you why.
Yes.
So Number one, this will affect the fundamentals of the constitutional pillars, including oath, Article 14, 15, 21. Number two.
And that can't be enforced by High Court.
No, that can also be enforced by Supreme Court, Malas.
Yeah.
May it please you, my lords. Now, Malas, just see, just 4 pages.
What prevents you from going to High Court?
Yes, Malas, I'll answer that. But just
This is a High Court. There is a matter
this
pertaining
is
to one
a
state.
singularly inapposite case.
Unless
back
the
to the High
Supreme Court has also become a political battleground.
No, this is not a political battleground. This affects, according to me, the fundamentals of your Lordship's constitutional pillars.
So the
Let me give you
Constitutional Court
more
will
reasons.
examine it.
I'll tell you why.
Yes.
So Number one, this will affect the fundamentals of the constitutional pillars, including oath, Article 14, 15, 21. Number two.
And that can't be enforced by High Court.
No, that can also be enforced by Supreme Court, Manas.
Yes.
It's a concurrent jurisdiction. Now, allow me to, your Lordship will see the cumulative impact of all. Everything can go to the High Court, can also come to the Supreme Court. And if it can't, if this matter can't come to Supreme Court, then your Lordship will consider what would be the focus of 32. That's point number one. Point number two, I am seeking an SIT. There can hardly be an SIT of note within Assam for the boss of Assam.
The High Court can take the people from outside. We have been doing in High Court. It's not first time that happens.
Your Lordship has full discretion to go under 32. There is no mandatory bar. This is asking for Malas, the number one person in Assam, and therefore there is a Malas, a certain distance from Assam which is necessary. It's an appropriate case for 32. Number three, I'm handing over a list of 17 cases where my Lords has, in very similar and much weaker situations, referred it to Malas 32. Just see that. Can you give it quickly? 17 cases.
Dr. Singhvi, the problem is that unfortunately, whenever the election will start coming, the first of all, we will earnestly appeal to the parties, political parties, whosoever they may be,
Yes.
that mutual respect, a sense of restraint, and whatever you want to express your opinion, that should be within the constitutional moralities, constitutional principles, or whatever the law of the land that we expect them to.
With equal.
But this is also a new emerging trend that whenever the elections in A state, B state, D state come, this sport becomes a political battle.
My Lord has made that observation, and rightly so in many cases. Kindly consider if this is right in this case. Who has started this? 5 statements quoted. Your Lordship's words are entirely well taken. But Malas, do they fall beyond sermon for persons like this? He's an habitual, consistent, continuous offender. Allow me, Malas, just allow me 5. Then
Don't place all these arguments before the High Court.
No, Malas,
May
kindly
please,
allow
Your
me to
Lordship.
place 5 cases. Lordship will then send me to the High Court. Kindly first see this sheet. Kindly hand over the sheet. I am answering 32 and then I'll tell Lordship why.
Yes.
The Supreme Court, Malas, this would be an ideal case to Malas exercise its duty to protect constitutional pillars. So your Lordship entertained Arnab Goswami, Bilkis Yaqub, Vinod Dua,
These are the
Madhul
matters. They are, most of the cases are those against whom some coercive or penal action was being taken by the
Yes,
state authority. They approach this.
Malas
You are
also.
wanting action to be taken against any XYZ. That very action can be well taken by the High Court
First
in
of all,
exercise of
this
powers
is
of
not
226.
XYZ, Malas.
These are definitely
This
to
affects-
some extent wider than our power.
Goes to
Even
smithereens.
if there is a violation of, suppose,
Yes.
fundamental, forget about the High Court comes to the conclusion that instead of fundamental right,
Yes.
the human right is violated.
Yes.
High Court can still take the remedial action.
No, Malas, High Court's power, I'm not in doubt. But why was 32 created? Malas, 32 was created for mega cases.
This is not the first case. Last couple of months, I have been telling, and particularly after coming to court number 1, please don't undermine our constitutional courts of High Courts. This is absolutely a disturbing trend that every matter lands up in Supreme.
Right. No, Malas, now this is not every matter. Malas, may I say,
The-
these 17 matters. Lordship
Unfortunately, in
entertained-
this country, what has happened? By establishment of various judicial or quasi-judicial tribunals,
Yes.
we have already deprived the High Courts from, say, for example, in commercial litigation,
Malas,
in environmental litigation, you don't allow.
those may be aberrations and I would not support them, Malas.
No,
They'd be wrong.
Generally, we are pointing out. But a judge who has tenure of 10 years, 15 years, 17 years, 20 years in High Court, you don't allow them to learn environmental law, commercial law, then suddenly
But
they come
Malas,
to
is
Supreme
this that
Court,
kind of a
then you
case?
want
Malas,
to
there are
decide
cases.
by this matter you want to decide.
There is no one size fits. Malas,
That is,
so
somebody
therefore,
should look into
allow me
this
to place
aspect.
my case. There is no one size fits all. Your lordship will not subsume 32 under 226. If the principle is that your lordship
Yes.
can never intervene because High Court is
Please
always
come to
available.
us, please come to us via the constitutionally prescribed route.
That may not
We
be an
will
absolute
welcome
rule.
any litigants. We are always open to.
Well, I've given 17 examples of entertainment. Now just see 3 pages and then lordship will decide.
Yes.
Come to my learned friend says, Mr. Tushar Mehta are not there when the matter was passed over, said that the person who loaded 145 onwards has been punished. Leave it aside for a minute. Come to 140 onwards. Just go to 140. Then lordship will see if this is not an all India nation affecting principle.
Yes.
And Malas, if these people are not even actioned on the ground of maintainability, Malas, there would be, I would submit, Malas, a diminution of the rights. Come to Malas 140 bottom. I'll show 3 pages and I'll Malas, ultimately your lordship's discretion. There is no absolute bar. A constitutional post holder sworn to oath,
Yes.
bound by 14, 15, 20
Yes,
on
but
all
it should
individuals.
not become a convenience form shopping only because it suits some lawyer in Supreme Court, therefore every matter is filed in Supreme Court. What about the High Court's bar? There are leading lawyers, they are also available.
But
They will
then
argue
your
the
lordship
case.
will never have a
They can
32
appear
case.
online.
Then your lordship will never
This
have a
is not
32
the
case.
ground
Malas.
for us to entertain these petitions.
Kindly see Malas 140
Yes.
below.
We are
My
studying
idea-
how to deal with our own areas, first of all.
Malas, kindly see bottom of 140.
Yes.
My idea is to create an atmosphere which they cannot stay in Assam.
Yes.
Don't give them land, don't give them vehicles, don't give them rickshaws,
This,
don't
that
give
is
them
the problem.
villas.
That entire effort is to undermine, demoralize the High Courts, which is not acceptable to us.
No, in our
There is a very calculated move. There is a calculated move to undermine the authorities of the High Court. Their constitutional courts enjoy more power than us.
Whereas your lordship is talking of demoralizing high courts. Here is a person demoralizing the constitutional ethos of the country.
Go and file
One-
complaint against him.
127.
Go and file, approach the High Court against him. Who is stopping you?
Whereas no FIR is being registered. None. Every technical
Therefore,
objection, the state is in
same
charge.
set of relief, Dr. Singhvi, tell us, the same set of relief which you are asking, can it not be granted by the High Court? It can be.
Practically, yes.
High
Practically,
Court
no.
can grant more than that.
Practically, no, with great respect.
Practically no.
In the state of Assam,
Practically no, because
state of Assam, Malas, where will I file an FIR?
Yes.
Where will I get redress?
yes,
Well, if your lordship doesn't agree with my next 2 arguments, lordship will send me to another high court other than Assam.
We
I will go there.
we
Kindly
will
see
not-
now, Malas.
This again, this is a very serious aspersion you want us to cast on the High Court. That's very unfortunate argument, and I outrightly reject it.
Now come to 127, Malas. Kindly come to 127. This is one statement and 140. Now come to 127, Malas.
I have to run the judicial administration throughout the country. If I start shifting the jurisdiction of the High Court,
Arguing for 32
it will
by your lordship.
what kind of consequences?
Nobody else, Malas. I'm saying only 32 by your lordships. Now kindly come to Malas 127 bottom.
Yes,
Sharma and the BJP are directly against the MIA, proclaimed during a conversation with journalists on 27th January. During the 3-minute exchange, Sharma urged the people of his state to give the MIA trouble and practice the politics of polarization.
go seek an inquiry.
If this is not a 32
If
matter,
suppose,
Malas,
if
what
these allegations are, suppose these allegations are not denied, the nature of directions will be different. If these allegations are denied by someone, the nature of directions will be different.
kindly
Even opportunity to the High Court to
the
examine.
constitutional fabric and ethos of the country is threatened, when will 32 be there? Otherwise, Lordship will Malas put it below 226. Everything
Yes,
can go to
no question of 2026. If you don't get the desired relief in 226, please come to us. We will examine.
Now,
Let
Malas,
us
see,
see that our doors are closed.
for once in 2023, so it's a
Something which
habitual.
happens